And sometimes these guys occupy a little of my time. Fox terrier is the best mousing animal ever on the planet. Hello, little beautiful doggy. I'm probably just a little bit random. People are always wanting to take a ride out here and look at the back part of the property. It's a little difficult, of course, with just the tractor. So I went and bought a wagon for hay rides. It's got some fun features. The man I bought it from told me this was a Gale, but I got down and looked at the nameplate down on the frame, and it's a New Idea. And you can see some old and new paint in there. And trying to find the original color scheme on it, I believe it was New Idea. This was kind of a forest green, almost Oliver, a silver, and of course an orange red, which looks very similar to Alice Chalmers. There's the plate. This was made in 1970 by New Idea. The reason it's setting like this is today it didn't come with very good tires on it. I thought I would start replacing the tires and doing some hub work and getting it ready for the hayride. And when I lifted it up, I realized none of the bolts are holding. It's just been sitting here, actually sliding. You see wear patterns where it's been shifting and sliding back and forth. I had no idea when I hauled it home that the bed itself could actually come off of the chassis. So obviously have a lot of restorative work to do. 1970 New Idea grain and farm wagon. It'll be our new hayride wagon out here. And sometimes you have those old dang moments. This was one of mine. I thought it was a bright idea to lay these extension forks for the tractor bucket here. And unfortunately I came through with the bush hog, which renovated this bracket and of course sheared off the mounting bolt, chopped it right in two. So yes, there's always something that gets in your way of getting things done. I'll admit a lot of it's my own doing. Scatterbrain sometimes. Hello, darling. Come here, littles. You're Dart. Hello, Dart. Dart. Vader. Vader. Come here. There's no balls in the excavator, bud. Well, the tires are ready for the wagon. Our New Idea wagon here. Pencil tires off of the John Deere. Matched set of wheels. It had random sized, unmatched size type style wheels on it. Tires. Everything looks better with new tires and shoes on it. It's amazing how much a little thing like putting decent tires on does. We've got to bolt the chassis to the frame, 2 more wheels to go. And on the John Deere, took these pencil tires off, put something an inch maybe overall 1.25 inch wider. So maybe it'll have a little less pencil look in the front. Hopefully they're not too tall. I don't know about that too tall part. The tire man told me we're going to gain an inch and a half in width. So there's my hand. There's my hand. He said it was a little bit taller. That's a lot of bit to me. Hard to get them lined up straight, but we're talking. Yeah. That's a lot more meat. I haven't let the tractor off the jack yet, but it did give it a meatier look. We did want something a little bit wider. Still into 3. There's its new stance. The top is still pretty close to level. Agri grip 750/16. This one is a 600/16, and of course it's not squatted, so loaded it'd be a little bit shorter, but you can see the difference, about a hand's height difference. And of course much more substantial looking. I thought the tractor looked like a grasshopper with these severe pencil tires on it. It just looks a little meatier now.